It is a question many parents and communities are debating. Should school districts require masks this fall?
More than 100 health officials in the Fox Valley say yes, but parents and some school leaders say it's too early to make that call. NBC 26's Kelsey Dickinson has both sides tonight.
On an issue that's divided some districts, medical experts have now weighed in.
Masks are really going to be the way that we can keep our kiddos healthy as well as keep them in school.
In an open letter to Fox Valley school districts, 113 health and medical experts ask education leaders to require face coverings as the Delta variant becomes more of a concern.
In the Valley, we are starting to see rising case numbers. We are starting to see rising hospitalizations. The more people we can get vaccinated, the more people we can have masking and decreasing the transmission of COVID, the better chance we have to get to the other side where we can finally say, masks out the window, we're done.
Experts say masks are one of the best mitigation strategies against the virus, but both Appleton and Neenah School District voted to make masking optional this year, a decision one Appleton parent hopes will remain.
My son does not do well with them, and I know many that don't. I encourage those that feel comfortable to wear a mask to still wear a mask. However, those of us that just don't feel it's a good fit for our family, we should have that choice too.
Neenah Joint School District Superintendent feels current data doesn't support a mask requirement.
If we need to pivot, we will do so. It just doesn't make sense from my perspective to have students with no positivity, no incidents, having to take the precautions that we did last year.
The Appleton Area School District told NBC 26 in an email that its mitigation protocols are flexible enough so the district can respond to any changing conditions as needed to protect the health and safety of students and staff. Kelsey Dickinson, NBC 26.